Welcome to another video in the LaTeX tutorials, a comprehensive series. In this video, we will discuss chapter 11 of the book, which is customization of LaTeX. In section 11.1, we will discuss changing the default names. Now, as we know that LaTeX adopts its default name, like for references it is having a name bibliography. In order to change this one from bibliography to references, the command renew command is used, as we will have to write renew command bibname and references. Similarly, if we would like to change the nomenclature, which is the default name, to the list of abbreviations, then we will have to write renew command nom name list of abbreviations. Now here in this document, I am having the document class as book. The package that I will use here, netbib, which is a bibliographic package. Hyperref for the citation, and file contents for including the references.bib file. So I have taken an example of one reference, and then after this the bibliographic style is unsorted in bibliography as references. So if I build this document, then I can see that it is showing me that this is my reference, which is /citif, and I have given this first reference, and it is showing this is my reference and this is 1, and as I go to 1, here I can see that it has written bibliography here. Now what I want to change this bibliography to references. So I will copy this command and I will paste here. This is a renew command, so it will be in the preamble. Now the new command, then bibliography name is bibname, and replace this with references. And I build this document, and we can see here that it has changed the bibliography to references. So with this one, it is very easy to change the default style with the renew command. Similarly, if I want to change the nomenclature to list of abbreviations, this is a sample document or book, and nomenclature is the package which is used in making nomenclature. I am just printing the nomenclature with 3 centimeters spacing here, and this is the simple document. Now we can change this nomenclature to a list of abbreviations by copying this command. So it is nom name, and then this will be changed with list of abbreviations. If I paste this one and I build this, then you can see that it has changed from nomenclature to list of abbreviations. Similarly, we can follow all the default names, which are the abstract. This is the default style. If the desired style is capital abstract, then I will have to write renew command abstract name, and then I will write my desired. Similarly for chapter, if it is intended to replace with chapter capital, then I will say chapter name, and then I will write the desired one. If I want to define figure is fig dot in short, then I will have to write figure name and then fig dot. Similarly, figure with capital can be done with figure name this. So here I will have to write my desired one. Similarly, table of contents. Now the default style is table of contents. If I just want to change it to contents, or I want to change it to contents with C capital only, then I will have to write contents name, and then I will change it. Similarly, list of figures, list of tables, all you can say these names are to be remembered: ref name, bib name, list table name, list figure name, and so on. In section 11.2, we will discuss changing the default style. By default, we know that the chapter name is aligned on the left side. So in order to change both the chapter and its name to centered align, we will have to use this package, which is the sectstyle. Then inside this one, use package sectstyle and then chapter font, and I will say centering. So it will change from like this one, chapter 9 customization of LaTeX, to changing the default names like this. So it will change after running that command. It will make chapter as well as its title at the center. Now here, this is one of the document which is under book, because we have chapters inside a book, and this is chapter first introduction and the section is LaTeX. So this is chapter 1 and which is introduction. If I build this document, then I can see here that it is chapter 1 and it is introduction, so it is left align. So here I will have to use this command, which is this one, and I will write this in the preamble. And now I will have to build this document. We can see here that it has changed the chapter counting as well as the title of the chapter to the center. In section 11.3, we will discuss the introduction of some new commands. These new commands are just like the keyboard shortcuts. For example, if we define in the preamble that as shown in figure will be written as /asf, then it will automatically, wherever we will insert this command, then it will automatically insert as shown in figure there. For example, let me copy this and go here. After the preamble, I am just inserting this new command is shown in figure, and here I write this is FTIR spectrum. Then I write /asf, enter, and here I say, let's say 4.1, and I build my document. Now you can see here that it has written this is FTIR spectrum is shown in figure 4.1. So this way we can define any shortcut here, and then this shortcut will be, you can say, converted into the full text inside the printout. Some other commands can also be defined in this way. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for the next video.